Okay, today's topic is on fungi and bacteria. Can you see my moldy bread on the left? So can you tell me what is growing on the bread? Anyone, quickly? Just speak up or you can type into the chat. What is growing on the bread? And I have Claire, what's growing on the bread? Okay, good, Claire. Good, Gisli. The rest, I don't see your responses in the chat. I should have 5 responses, but I only have 2 responses, means Ivy is sad. All right, so please participate in the lesson. It is okay if you give me the wrong answer. I will not be angry. I will only be angry or upset or disappointed if you do not type in your response. So even if it's wrong, never mind. I will help you. All right, so good job, Claire. Good job, Gisli. Can you rename yourself? Otherwise, I can't tell who is who. The one with the NTU, would you be able to rename yourself, please? Who is the one with the NTU? Lana, okay. Then I have to memorize the email address is Lana. You will help me if you can rename yourself. Are you able to rename yourself, please? Lana? Right, let's good job, Lana. So I still got 2 more responses. You see, Wen-Xing, what is growing on the bread? All right, I don't have response from Wen-Xing and let's see, Hashika. Wen-Xing and Hashika, can I have your response, please? What is growing on the bread? Wen-Xing, good job. Hashika, are you there? What is growing on the bread? Or if Hashika is not east, this one. Okay, no worries. All right, we are here to help you. So this one, we always say the bread turns moldy. All right, if you don't keep bread properly, you keep bread for a few weeks on the table, bread is going to turn moldy. So it's a mold. All right, so it's not yeast, it's a mold. Okay, clear? So mold is a type of fungi or fungus. All right. So if you're wondering what is the difference between fungus and fungi, is one fungus, all right, many fungi. It's just English. All right, one fungus, many fungi. Fungus and fungi is the same thing. All right, one fungus, many fungi. So mold is growing on the bread. Mold is a type of fungi. All right, so yeast is another type of fungi. Okay, but yeast is used to make the bread when the bread is still edible. Right now, once the bread turns moldy, I cannot eat the bread unless I want to have diarrhea. All right, so yeast is used to make fresh bread. Once the bread turns moldy, after you leave the bread on the table for many weeks, all right, then the bread will, what happens to the bread is mold will start to grow on the bread. Mold is actually eating up the bread. All right, so imagine you spend so much money buying the bread and then you're actually paying to feed the mold. All right, mold is hungry. Mold cannot make its own food because mold is not a plant. Only plants can make their own food. So mold is very hungry. Mold will eat up your bread if you don't eat your bread. Next, and then I have Yakult and yogurt. All right, can y'all tell me what is inside the Yakult and yogurt? Can y'all type into the chat, please? What's inside the Yakult and yogurt? I give 5 seconds, starting with B. I give you a hint. B. Starting with B. Okay, good job, Claire. Starting with B. B for baby. What is inside the Yakult? What's inside the yogurt? That is good for my stomach. Good for my digestive system. The rest, you still thinking? All right, so this is, all right, good bacteria. So bacteria can be good, bacteria can be bad. So Miss Ivy just took a type of good bacteria. Gisli, check your bacteria spelling. It's a ER. All right, ER, bacteria. Okay, a good try, Gisli. So I just finished a small of a yogurt on my own before I started today's lesson. So there is good bacteria inside yogurt. There's good bacteria inside Yakult and yogurt. They are still alive. The good bacteria is still alive, right? And the good bacteria helps us in the digestive system. Okay, so let's move on to the next slide. Question 1, which is the suitable heading for group A? All right, so for group A, first of all, okay, so Can you all type your answer in? What is a heading for group A? Can you all type a response into the chat? If you all can respond faster, all right, we can play a game later. Okay, fungi. Okay, Gisli, good job. So answer is A. So basically these two are fungi. Right, mushroom, you see mushroom there. Now for fungi, right, there are 3 types of fungi. I would like everybody to name me the 3 types of fungi. And I give you a clue is my fungi. All right, my fungi. So MMY sounds like my, and fungi, like my fun man. My father cracks jokes with me. My father is my fun guy. All right, so this one might help you to remember memory aid. So for fungi, remember MMY. All right, so what does MMY stand for? Can you all type into the chat as one line? All right, a good job. Wen-Xing, one whole line, well done. So MMY, 3 things fungi that you need to remember. The rest, can I have a response, please? Right, there are 3 types of fungi. So M, Y. All right, M, Y. So what does M, Y stand for? Okay, the rest, I only have one person getting the answer. So obviously one of them is mushroom, right? Okay, and then bread. If you don't keep it properly, it will start to grow mold. All right, so mold is a type of fungi. Mushroom is also a type of fungi. What is a Y? Which is just now I showed you the video. Yeast is used to make cakes. Yeast is used to make beer. Right, so please remember these 3. Is everybody okay? You must remember the 3 fungi. So M, Y. All right, clear? Okay. So take note, for yeast is used to make cakes. All right, cakes, beer, or wine. Okay, in other words, it's edible, you can eat it. All right, any questions so far? If not, I have a question. Can everybody type into the chat, what is a body covering of birds? Very simple question, right? What's the body covering of birds? All right, what's the body covering of birds? Good job. Wen-Xing is always the first one to give me the answer. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Gisli, good job. Gisli, and then I have Lana, good job. Claire, good job. Hashika, good job. Wen-Xing, good job. Well done. All 5 of you responded. Good job. So
My
body
name is
covering.
not Hasika.
Is it Hasika?
No, my name is Rudran.
Sudran. Hang on.
But I can't rename my name for some.
Sudran.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see if I can help you. So Hasika is Sudran, is it? Okay, let me see. You mean, can you help me spell your name? Can you type into the chat, please?
Okay.
I'll help you rename now. Okay, so it's Rudra. Did I pronounce it correctly?
Yes.
Rudrantha. Rudranth. Okay, I rename already. Is it correct now?
Yes.
Okay. All right, thank you. So let's continue. All right. So please remember, mole, mushroom, yeast are fungi. Mole, mushroom, yeast, they are living things. They all need air, food, and water. All living things need air, food, and water. All right, but they cannot make their own food. They are not plants. Okay, let's move on. Right, question 2. Which one is classified wrongly? Now, classified means which one is grouped wrongly? Okay, so over here, let's do one by one. Ants are considered animals. Spiders are definitely animals, so it's correct. All right, now moss is a plant. It's also a plant. Okay, now mushroom, is it under fungi? Can you all unmute yourself? Yes or no? Is mushroom a fungi? Yes, right? Then bird nest fern, is it a fungi?
No.
No, right? Bird nest fern should be here, under plant. All right, so fern is a plant. Okay, now plants, right, that is broken up into two types of plant. One is a flowering plant. One is, what is the opposite word of flowering plant? Can someone tell me over the mic?
Non-flowering plant.
Thank you. Non-hyphen flowering plant. Okay, who can give me examples? 2 examples of non-flowering plant. Someone is annotating. Can you stop your annotation, please? All right. Can you remove all your annotation? Unless I'm asking you, can you remove the A as well? Thank you. All right. So do not annotate until I ask you to. Otherwise, I got no space. So I'm talking about non-flowering plant. So non-flowering plant, there are 2 things. There are many non-flowering plants, but you must at least know these 2 examples. F and M. Which one? Can y'all type into the chat? So one is a fern. The other one also 4 letters, starting with M. F, fern also 4 letters. Moss also 4 letters. All right, so please know fern and moss, they don't have flowers. So if your mother hates flowers, then you can give your mother fern and moss. All right, fern and moss will forever not have flowers. All right. Okay, somebody just came in. Let me see. May I know who this is? Chu Oi Gyok, because are you are you Jane? Or you can type into the chat because I cannot match your name to my student list. Chu Oi Gyok. Chu Oi Gyok is. Can you help me rename yourself, please? I can help you rename. Just let me know your name. Oh, have you renamed now the? Okay, Jane, is it?
This is your transferring the data. This is your chapter. And this is your oldest. Transferring data how? From
All right, so please mute yourself. All right. So just now, the person who just came in, are you Jane? Did I pronounce your name correctly or J? J, is it? Did I pronounce it J? J Chu?
Yes.
No response. Yes. Okay. Thank you for the response, J. All right. Okay. I mark your attendance already. Okay. So Jane. All right. Okay. Jane. Hi, Jane. So I have 6 students with me. I'm so happy. All right. Let's continue. We are doing worksheet 24. All right, so we were talking about 2 non-flowering plants that y'all must know is fern and moss. There are many types of non-flowering plants, but y'all must make friends with fern and moss. Fern and moss are non-flowering plants. All right, so the answer is A. So fern is a plant. Fern is green in color anyway. All right, so fern is a plant. It's grouped wrongly. Fern is not a fungi. All right. Okay, let's move on. Third question. Isabel left a packet of bread in the open. After a week, when she opened it, she found some black and white spots on the bread. Now, her mother asked her to throw the bread away as it was moldy. So which one is true about mold? Okay, now does mold use gills to breathe? Does mold have gills?